Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be trying on a wig. This is the first time I've done the whole gluing of the wig and whatnot. So we're gonna see if this wig is beginner friendly. I'm not gonna pluck anything. This is a wig from USWIN or UWINS. It'll be in the name of the video. Um, the The hairline looks pretty natural, so I'm hopeful. So hopefully this will pass the test as being a beginner friendly wig, because there is a longer one that I'd love to buy, but I haven't even tried this one. And there's like two other ones that I got from Uswins that I haven't tried yet, so I'm excited to do that. So it is a bob. It's a bob. It did come straight, but then I did wash it, so um, that's why it's like giving body wave vibes. There is an elastic band at the bottom here, and then like there's a frontal, as you can see. And there's two combs by the temples, and then one comb at the back. I'm not sure if I'm going to use that. And then there's also like a lace piece at the back here. I'm not sure why, because I don't think you could put this wig in a ponytail, so let me just cut this off for now. Okay, and also I have a brush just to brush out the hair. I have this stocking cap, and then I have the Got2b Glue spray, like this edge brush thing, but I don't know if I'm gonna need it, because the reason why I'm trying to wear this wig, or I'm trying to see if I can put it on, is from tomorrow I'm going back to work in the office. So I just wanted to see, like if I am gonna do a rebranding of myself in terms of how I show up at work, can I do it with this wig? But I have seen other wigs, it's just so much easier to put on, but I really want to learn how to put on like lace front wigs so that it looks like it's part of my scalp, all the vibes. So I have these two Got2b Glues. I was looking at the ingredients, and the black one has castor oil, hydrogenated castor oil. So based off that alone, I'm going to use the black one, because this one doesn't really have any, to my understanding, anything that's like good for your hair. Like it's a gel, so obviously you know what comes with gels. But yeah, like there's no like essential oils, no nothing. It's here to do a job. So we're not gonna use that one. My hair is currently in a protective style. It's just mini twists, which I love because it allows me to wear my hair out, but then also it can flatten down to be put in a wig. So like as you can see, normally I just wear it half up, half down, like that. Let me know in the comments if you want me to show you how I do it. But it's basically the same as if you were gonna do your own like box braids or faux locks or anything. Because like for me, when it comes to those styles, I like to do the braids first and then just add the extra hair on top. Okay, so I'm gonna put this on. Today I wanted to talk to you guys, since I'm going back to the office. Like every time I say it, I can't believe it, and it's not even I can't believe it out of excitement. I prefer being home. I won't even lie, and I know not everyone feels the same way. I know this pandemic has been difficult for a lot of people, just like on the social front of things. As a reserved introvert, I've been loving it. So it's a bit of an adjustment. Okay, there we go. I'm not gonna do the whole over the ear thing and then, yeah. we're not at that level. We're at beginner mode, okay? So here's the elastic band. I'm gonna just position this first and then put everything through. Okay. Girl, I don't know what is going on here. Okay. I'm gonna need some ponies or some clips. I got it in a bundle situation, so it was like 3 wigs in one bundle. And it was 2 bobs, one curly bob and then this straight bob, and then like a shorter one which is like, thank God for ear tabs, because then I wouldn't know where this was supposed to sit. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna cut the ear tabs, because I can tell it's just the lace piece which is giving me issues. Like when the hair is just there, it's gonna be fine. Like it's gonna fit behind my ear properly. And also I just wanna see, like, as a person whose body tends to sweat, how reliable is this? Because I'm not trying to be a wig and my wig is sweating off, you know? Sometimes it's a high paced job. A little bit tacky. Do a little more. This is a Taurus hair dryer. I think I got this from Take a Lot or Clicks. I put it on speed 1, or you can put it on high speeds, but then I'm always holding down this button so it makes the air cold. Oh my word. Like it's stuck down. Are we doing this? Are we putting on a wig? Okay, no, it's stuck down. Okay. Let's just let it chill, let's let it cool down. Let's do the other side. Oh my word. I'm getting excited now. Because you want to be able to run your fingers through your hair without the lace lifting. Ooh. Do I want to brush my hair? I'm like scared. Because a part of me is like, okay, cool. Oh, there's some more. Guys, this is what it's like to put on a wig. This is the real. I'm always finding stuff. But that's okay. Okay. I'm scared. I'm scared. Do I do makeup? I don't know. The part of me like doesn't want to do makeup because I just want to see how this wig turns out. But I feel like I need to hold it down for a bit. So I don't know. But it seems secure. It feels secure. And let's brush it out. What? Dawn, is that your hair? Yeah. I just straightened it. That is crazy to me. I like the positioning. I need to style this a bit. What? This is why people cut off this piece here. And it makes so much sense to me. And it's like, rather I do it without cutting it off so that I know why I want to cut it off. Does that make sense? Yeah, I don't think I want to style this wig just yet. I'm probably going to do it on another video, but guys, wait. Okay, I mean, yeah, we got the wig on, okay? This Got2b Glued kind of leaves like that glue substance, right? So I do wanna, I do wanna try using the spray because I think the spray leaves less residue, and that's why people prefer to use it. And then like flyaways, you see that? I need to get a hairspray. This is the Perfect Touch Stay Spray and Stay Super Hold. They do have an ultimate hold spray, which I also have, but I want to see if that's an equivalent for the actual Got2b Glued. So I just sprayed hairspray onto the brush. I'm brushing it down because I don't want the hold that this can provide. Like I've used the spray to do like curls on previous wigs and stuff, and the hold is excellent. But then if you want like a flowy hair, it's not what you want. Cool. Okay, so I'm just gonna, you see, like stuff like this, right? Cool, so that's the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you were doing your wig or trying out or finally doing the wig that you've been putting off for the longest time, like I am, like I just did. I hope you enjoyed this video. I don't know if it will help. Maybe it will help in knowing that, you know, it's a process. We're gonna get better and better at this. So I am excited to do this with more wigs because I have a lot of wigs, but like they haven't really needed this kind of application. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.